Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 40 volt HP brushless 21-inch self-propelled mower with a multiple blade. Alright, so today we've received our lawnmower. This is a brushless, super powered 21-inch 40 volt brushless self-propelled multi-blade mower kit. This one does come with 2 batteries. You also get 1 advanced charger, so you get 2 6-amp battery plus the charger. So the runtime on this is up to 70 minutes with the included 2 of the 6-amp batteries. This is the top leading best 3-in-1 cutting performance with a cross-cut multi-blade system, which allows you to have less clamping and much molting, so it can further your lawn. The brushless motor and advanced electronically automatically reacts to mowing conditions by increasing the blade speed. It'll eliminate bogging down and powering through the toughest cut. So this is what it looks like inside the box. It is folded up. This one is a really good sized box. So if you are to pick this up, or if you are actually having this delivered, which is recommended because it is a really good sized box. It does use the 40 volt battery, works with a 40 volt product. The HP brushless 21-inch self-propelled multi-blade mower is backed by a 5-year warranty. It has a 3-year manufacturer battery warranty, which is a good thing. So it does drive more power than a 170cc gas mower, making it a true gas replacement, so you do not need a gas mower. So this is the charger. This one here is a fast charger. So this one is a 110 volt. It does not have a ground wire. So this one here charges your battery up super fast. And then you have your accessories inside this bag. So this bag is your mulch bag and your grass bag. So you have your side tools. So you have extra ones. So this does have a pass-through bag removal, which allows to quickly empty the grass bag without spilling grass clippings. All you need is a one-touch folding handles, quickly, easily collapse for compact. So this one here is super easy to put on. You do have the metal bracket here, and then it just slips right on. So you got a nice good size bag for all your grass and your leaf clippings. So all you have to do is click this little handle here at the bottom, and it just lifts up the handle. It is really nice and it's sturdy. So inside this top little clear compartment that has your battery as well as your key. So you do get 2 of these batteries. These are the 6-amp. And then you have this display. You click on this, it'll show you the display. So right off the box, it does have only 1 battery, so I'm going to need to charge that. So you can see that it's a 6-amp 40 volt, and then here is the charger. All you got to do is just slide it right in. This is an advanced charger, so it should charge it up really quickly. So you just slide it right in here, right there. And then you'll just plug it in, and then it'll be ready to charge. So they have like little displays here on the side telling you the status of the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and try to plug this in right now and show you the size of the battery. So right here it's flashing green. So green basically means it's charging. You've got other error messages here. If you receive an error message, it tells you what that error is. So we're going to get closer so we can actually see the error messages. You've got not charging, charging. The green light, of course, means it's charging. This is the side of it. So you've got ready, charging, error, testing, and power on. So that's what those error messages here, and charging. And then right now it's flashing green, basically mean that it's charging. So this is the front of the lawnmower. You can see that it does have LED lights in the front. This is the 40V HP. It does have cross-cut dual blade. The wheels on this are really nice and sturdy. You have the adjustment where you can adjust it up higher or you can adjust it down lower. It is super easy to adjust it. You just, like a gear shifter, and sometimes it can pop out of your hand, but it lifts up with no issue, and it lowers down with super ease. And then you have this side right here. There is a danger, meaning don't stick your hand there, but this, if you want to basically put the side piece on here, you can use that port right there. It has a really nice spring, so it closes back really quick. And then you can see the dual blades right here. This is the crossed dual blades, will help cut the grass a lot easier. And right here from the back, this is where you'll put your mulch bag in. It has a thing to drag on the bottom so you don't spill anything. So I like the fact that this here has a bigger hole so it can fill the bag. My previous one was really small, so it was kind of an issue for me to pull out the extra grass and the leaves. You can see that the back wheels here as well as the front wheels are really nice. So right here you'll just pop these things on all around the bag and they just clip on. It's super easy. So I'm just going to put that on and I'll come back as soon as I finish putting this on. Alright, so we have that already finished. So what we're going to do is put the bag on the back. So this one here just slides into these little hook spots right here. So the hooks on the side, they just go right up in there on both sides. Sorry, I'm just doing this with one hand, so it's a little bit harder. But you can see that it is clipped on right here. And it can get all the grass down here. It has these little spots right here for it to go. It's easy to remove and to replace again. Make sure that you have your bag under your little metal thing right here so you can pull it out once you're done with your clippings. So now I'm going to do is charge up the battery, and then I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to cut a little bit of the grass. See, there's a compartment right here for both batteries. You don't have to use both batteries at the same time. You can do one at a time, or you can use both, which gives a lot longer time of usage. But the key that does come with it is recommended, and it will not work without the key. So you got to make sure that the key is installed and pushed down all the way. So now we're going to make our way outside. So you can see this one here is a really nice lawnmower. I like the fact that it does a really good job of cutting. This is a souped up lawnmower. It does come with 2 batteries that will last you up to 70 minutes. If you're looking for a nice lawnmower that get the job done, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is super nice. I like that it's self-propelled, and it does have a really good warranty on this. For anything that happens, this is a plus. I would definitely say check this one out. This is a really nice lawnmower.